Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you 3 strategies for controlling your emotional life. So here are the strategies. Number 1, notice the emotions you regularly experience. Every time you experience a negative emotion, ask yourself, what thinking is causing this emotion? See if you can identify some irrational thinking behind the emotion. If so, attack that thinking with better, more sensible thinking. Once you act upon the new thinking, your emotion should change accordingly. Number 2, get to the root of the emotions. Are you in a dysfunctional relationship that you need to get out of? Is it your job? Until you directly face the problems in your life that are causing negative emotions, the negative emotions will keep coming back. Guard your mind with thinking that leads to productive behavior and positive emotions. Number 3, keep a daily journal that targets the negative emotions you experience. Use this format. One negative emotion I feel is, the reason I feel this negative emotion is, the thinking or situation I need to change in order not to feel this negative emotion is, a more productive way to think is. By analyzing what is giving rise to negative emotions, you can often identify problems in your thinking and behavior. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then you could do 4 things. Hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my website www.rajivkumarluv.com and check out the trainings I have to offer. Lastly, share it with anyone you think would find it useful too. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, go out and test these strategies for controlling your emotional life. Bye bye.